This is a response to questioning evolution. What's the title of it? This is incredible. This is the worst case of biased science and biased reporting I have ever seen, ever witnessed on YouTube. It sort of portrays scientists as bailing out of the abiogenesis theory in droves because we just found out how complex the cell was. We found that out a while ago, and probably before most of the theories of abiogenesis even were thunk up. The fact is, less scientists disbelieve in evolution than there are historians who disbelieve in the Holocaust. And I'm sure the figure is similar to abiogenesis because we don't have any other working theories. The main argument of the video was that even the simplest cell is so complex that any theory of spontaneous abiogenesis, meaning life from non-life, would be ludicrous. And I have to agree. You surprised? You shouldn't be, because the theory of abiogenesis does not say that modern cells, complex as they are, sprung into existence by chance or spontaneously. That's not what the theory says. It's a classic straw man. The theory describes what are called protobionts, which are the predecessors to cells. And the most they had to consist of were self-replicating molecules in a lipid bubble. So basically a soap bubble with a little bit of RNA in there. And that would have made do, because the lipid would have protected the RNA from outside interference. The RNA would spontaneously duplicate, as it does very well, and all the nucleic amino acid relationships, the protein forming and the coding and all that stuff comes later. It evolves from the protobionts. Those didn't exist in the beginning, the proteins, etc. And to say that they did is a straw man. It's ludicrous. It's not what it says. And this is another classic example of people not knowing what the theory is about. Go online, type in abiogenesis into Google, read. You know, the thing you do with your eyes and the words, and you think about the information. It seems to be that misunderstanding and misinformation is rife on the internet. And you know, I always say, if you don't accept evolution, then you don't understand evolution, because it's really an elegant explanation, as well as abiogenesis. If you don't accept abiogenesis, then you don't understand it, because there's no other working theory we have. How else could it proofed into existence? That's not a working theory. It's not falsifiable. It's not science. So that's my rant in response to that video. If you haven't watched it, don't. It's a horrible video. Just take what I said to heart, and it really stands on its own.